Lesson 28: Programming Languages and the Programming Process. The evolution of programming languages. To build programs, people use languages that are similar to human language. The results are translated into machine code, which computers understand. Programming languages fall into three broad categories. First is the machine languages. These are first-generation languages which are the most basic type. It consists of strings of numbers the computer's hardware can use. Different types of hardware use different machine code. For example, IBM computers use different machine language than Apple computers. Next is the assembly language. These are second-generation languages. These are only somewhat easier to work with than machine languages. To create programs in assembly language, developers use cryptic English-like phrases to represent strings of numbers. The code is then translated into audio code using translator called an assembler. Next, the higher level languages. These are more powerful than assembly language and allow the programmer to work in a more English-like environment. Higher level programming languages are divided into three generations, each more powerful than the last. Third generation languages, or 3GLs, are the first to use true English-like phrasing, making them easier to use than previous languages. 3GLs are portable, meaning the object code created for one type of system can be translated for use on a different type of system. The following are 3GLs: Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, C, C++, Java, and ActiveX. Next is the fourth generation languages. Fourth generation languages, or 4GLs, are even easier to use than 3GLs. 4GLs may use a text-based environment like a 3GL, or may allow the programmer to work in a visual environment using graphical tools. The following are languages of 4GLs: Visual Basic, Visual Age, and authoring environments. Fifth generation languages, or 5GLs. This is an issue of debate in the programming community. Some programmers cannot agree that they even exist. These high-level languages would use artificial intelligence to create software, making 5GLs extremely difficult to develop. The systems development lifecycle for programming. The SDLC for programming follows the same phases as the SDLC for information systems development. Phase 1, needs analysis. Phase 2, program design. Phase 3, development. Phase 4, implementation. And Phase 5, maintenance. That's all. Thank you.